tired of pretending to study this quarantine? And you have hair on your head more than 5 inches? Then let's learn some hairstyles together. And don't try to jump around because you will not look funny. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pallavi. So as you can see by my appearance, my hair was kind of in a good condition actually. By good condition I mean that it was not that silky or that rough. So it was in a perfect condition to show you some more hairstyles because you guys seem to love them. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So for the first hairstyle, take the left hand side or the right hand side root. Take a little bit of hair from the front and start doing my classic front braid. And if you don't know what my classic front braid looks like, then I will just pin the link on the I button. Okay, so all you have to do is take your hair, part it into 3 equal parts and then start braiding it. Once you braid it, then add a little bit of hair from the front, then again you braid it, then again add a little bit hair from the front. Then once you realize that none of your hand is going down your head, then stop the process. And then just be down to earth and start braiding your hair like you do it normally. After you reach the end goal, secure the hair using a hair tie. And that's it, you're done with your first hairstyle. Don't forget to ask your neighbors how do you look. That's enough. Let's move on to the second hairstyle. Now this hairstyle is actually a very non-existent kind of a hairstyle in this video, just like 2 other hairstyles. So basically all you have to do is to do the same thing on the other side of your head with your hair. Do the front braid thing and then just plait the rest. After you have done plaiting your hair, take a rubber band, get excited and then tie it around your hair. Here you go. Another cute and effortless hairstyle. And yeah, don't forget to ask your neighbors how you look, okay? That's very important. To the next non-existent hairstyle, that is the third hairstyle in this video. Take the whole bunch of burden on your head and then divide it into 3 equal parts, keeping one of the braided chunk in one part, the other one in the other part, and the third one doesn't have anything. After you're done dividing your property, start braiding the hair. And you are done with the third hairstyle. Okay, so the fourth one is kind of a fresh one. Just comb your hair properly and bring all the hair towards the right side of your body or shoulder or hand. Or before tying your entire head, just make sure to leave a little chunk of your hair from the left hand side and just roll it around your band. Actually, the main purpose of that roll is to hide your rubber band. And just secure that part of your hair using a weird looking pin. Okay, so here is a very cool or weird trick that I do. Yeah, exactly. I sometimes don't require a hair curler to just curl some strands of my hair because my hand does it in a weird way. I don't know, but yeah, it happens. Anyways, part your hair into three sections. Then just throw the two sections behind your back and then work with the one single part. Then divide that single part into further three different parts and just start braiding it. After you're done braiding, secure it with a hair elastic. Start pulling your hair. I mean, it sounds so bad, but yeah, pull your hair just to make your braid look a little bit fluffier, because you have to just hide the reality that you're actually losing hair. So yeah, after you have done pulling, you realize that you have two more strands of hair to do the same thing. So yeah, do the magic. Now just braid the three other braids together, if that makes any sense. Does it make any sense? I don't know. Secure it with a rubber band, of course, and then remove the other unnecessary rubber bands. And yeah, your hairstyle is ready. And if people will see this hairstyle, they'll think that you have put a lot of effort in making this. Plus, this hairstyle also gives a feel or an illusion of the box braid. Then the fifth hairstyle arrived, and so did the clouds. So that was the reason why I was sad, but then I knew that I had to make this video whatsoever today, I mean that day. So I continued to shoot. So for the next item, I mean hairstyle, part your hair into two halves and then start braiding the first one. Then secure it with a rubber band and then again do the pulling process. So that was the time, and finally it started raining, but still I wanted to make this video. So for the sixth and the last hairstyle, all I did is I took the rest of my hair and I left a little bit of hair, and then I started braiding the other half, I mean so-called half too. Now this part is a very crucial part, so listen carefully. Take the strand of hair that you left and pull it from one section of one plait from behind, and then pass it from one section of the other part, just like the way I'm showing it. After a little bit of practice, I can guarantee you that you will be able to do it, because I was able to do it, and you all know how dumb I am. So yeah, it's not big of a deal. This braid will also look like you have put a lot of effort in doing or making this braid. So these were the 6 kind of braids or hairstyles that I learned myself and I shared with you all. These are quite a few things that I am actually learning in this quarantine, and I hope that you all are doing the same, learning new things and exploring new yourself. So that was it for today. I hope so that you liked my video. If you do so, then actually do like my video and do share this hairstyle with your friends, family, brother, sister, your padosi, your neighbor, and all those people. And yeah, with that said, this is it for the video, and I'll see you in the next one.